Okay guys, let's just install AC Brotherhood KTMXHancer 2025. To do that, you'll open up the setup and you will wait. Let me close everything here. Alright, so we got the installer. Press next, agree, and then you're going to browse your game folder. Press OK, press next, press install, and you wait couple of seconds. There's more process after that, so stay tuned in the video and see what I do. So we've done that, and we have ACB Remastered launcher. Click on that. If it doesn't choose the textures automatically, you can just do it manually, but it does it automatically. So here we are. We'll wait until the game is loaded because it takes some time to load the HD textures. Here we have our game. If we press F and home or just home, you will have this. So you have ACB day. You can use this when it's daytime. You can use night when it's nighttime. I'm going to use daytime. Here, so you're going to have this splash screen, a new splash screen. This is when you can tell that the graphics mode is working. There's a new cursor and everything, so press continue. I'll go into the game because it's an old game and sometimes you have some issues. Okay, so everything is looking lovely, but I do recommend you to follow the settings I use. So going to graphics, you can see I'm using 2x multi-sampling and everything else is at max. Now if I click on home again, F and home or home, and if we go to add-ons, we'll press this one. We'll keep pressing until we land this one where we have all of these checked. When that is done, the effects are gonna work better because now the 3D depth effects and everything will be working better. And a lot of you complained about some, ambient occlusion of light just going through the characters. This fixes the problem. So that's it. I'll close the video.